This is Dan King of Boatshed Brighton, welcoming you aboard this classic Hillyard 8-tonner, which actually weighs 6 tons. Spacious interior featuring a lot of mahogany. Standing headroom. Very clean interior. Basic functional galley. Hob with oven. Large fore cabin with over 6 feet bunks. Pipe leading to chain locker underneath the fore cabin. Stowage underneath the bunks. Hatch. Manual sea toilet with small sink. Forward vision through the 2 forward facing portholes. Classic design, plenty of stowage, it oozes character.